Remember, in any suffering, God allows it so that we would win. But listen, itong napaka-importanting bagay. When He allows it, God wants us to be intimate with Him. While Satan, the devil, wants to bring you away from God. Kasi pag malayo ka sa Kanya, dun Kanya madidevour. Kasi wala naman siyang magagawa kung kasama mo si God eh. Kaya tingnan nyo, kaya sabi ni Paul, bukod sa sinabi ni Peter na ito, sinabi rin ni Paul ang ganito. Sabi niya, our struggle is not against flesh and blood. Hindi nating kalaban ang mga tao, laman. Pag nagdudusa tayo, hindi yung asawa natin ang kalaban, hindi yung boss natin, hindi yung mga namumuno sa atin, hindi sila. Let us not lose our focus. Hindi sila ang kalaban natin. Anong kalaban natin? We are against whom? The rulers, against the powers, against the world's forces of this darkness. Against the spiritual forces of wickedness in the heavenly places. There is a spiritual warfare. Kaya we need to be prepared. Ito po